I've just discovered a very effective and powerful money-making method that can make you earn a whopping $2,650 using 3 apps. Want to know about this easy online money-making method? Then stay with me until the end so you won't miss out on anything. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 spectacular websites where you can easily earn money by just doing some simple tasks. And the best part is, it's available worldwide and 100% free. The first website in today's video is surveytime.io. Simply visit surveytime.io. As you can see, this platform can get you instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete, with an excellent 4 stars rating on Trustpilot. All you need to do now is sign up and you're good to go. When you're done with creating your account, you'll be redirected to this page where you can answer a few questions so that the platform can match you with the most relevant surveys. Just go ahead and hit the Start Now button and start answering questions. The first question is all about your personal information, and once you're done with that, you can begin to answer surveys that will pay you $1 each. And the most amazing part is that it won't take up more than 3 minutes to accomplish. Now let's move on to the second website, which is called remotetasks.com. Remote Tasks pays you real money in US dollars simply by doing online tasks from home. Now I want you to shift your attention now to the upper portion of this page and click on this text right here which says how it works. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where you can learn everything. Step 1. You need to go through some training, and you can do that easily via online courses or free hands-on training. Step 2. Simply work on tasks from the project you've unlocked. And finally, Step 3. Simply get paid fast via PayPal or AirTM, based on the quality and number of your completed tasks. At this point, feel free to roam around the page and find out what you want to find out. Now let's go ahead with the sign-up process. I want you to scroll right back up to the uppermost part of the main page, and you can see this green button right here that says Start Earning Today. Obviously, I want you to click on that button, and you will be redirected to this page where you can now begin registering for a free account. But before you do that though, the first thing that you're going to have to accomplish is to tick this box right here that says I agree to the terms of service and EU DPA. After that, just continue signing up, and that's it. Once you're logged in, you will then have access to hundreds of tasks available for you. Are you guys learning something new from this video? If you do, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Next on Buzzbreak.news. Buzzbreak is actually an app that you can download on your smartphone. This app is widely available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. To give you a little overview, this website is where you can earn tons of rewards just by reading news you will never find boring. On the Google Play Store, you can see that it's used by almost 600,000 users from all over the planet, which is actually really huge. With an astonishing 4-star rating, you can find hundreds of reviews that are just full of positivity. Are you ready to be financially free? Do you want to become your own boss? If yes, check this video. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. Be sure to keep following me for the latest money-making methods.